I can't imagine there could be anyone in this world that I would rather spend the rest of my life with than you. As you know, I've had an infatuation with you since the very first time I met you, all the way back in middle school. I just knew that you were the one that I wanted. Through all the different little flings in my life, I would always end up checking on your situation on social media to see if you were single. Some of you might call that creepy, but I choose to think of it as romantic. But I was patient, I bided my time, and finally toward the end of 2021, after what we can all agree was one of the worst times any of us have lived, I had a moment to make a move, and I did, and I couldn't be happier. I vow to always be there to help you raise these two caring, intelligent boys, and any more that may come along the way. I vow to be your other half forever and always, back and forth forever. To be strong where you are weak, as you do for me, and to never give up. We do things not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
William Patrick Edens. From the moment we reconnected, I knew there was something there. Understanding and empathizing about our memories individually being a wet bag of garbage. Turns out, neither of our memories are garbage. They are just different. What I have found with you is far superior than I could have ever hoped in my lifetime. We will endure heartache, arguments, and pain. As you know, raising kids ain't easy.
Oh, damn right.
God. And in every challenge, I know I'll have my husband by my side. A husband whose altruism, humility, quiet confidence, and ability to hold and vomit until they can properly let it out captivate my heart every day. Today I vow, in front of a whole lot of people we know, to cherish our goofy, effortless love, to laugh, cry, and dream with you, to build a future with you at every step. I promise to stand by you, to support you, and uplift you as we share this arduous and blissful journey together. Back and forth, Flavia! Yeah!
It is my great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife, and you can seal it with a kiss.
I'm so blessed to have such a great relationship with my sister. Most people have siblings and maybe they get along all right, or they get together at the holidays or for birthdays. But I am so fortunate to not just have a sister, but a best friend, all in one person. We have been on many grand adventures together, and although she's always going to be my adventure buddy, I know her and Will are going to start the most amazing adventure together, and may they share many laughs and great memories along the way. It brings me so much joy to see her happy, and may tomorrow guarantee that they will be wholeheartedly happy for the rest of their lives. Cheers.
I know it feels like you've been here forever already, but welcome officially, or tomorrow officially. And we aren't just gaining a sister, but we get two nephews and grandkids along with Brayson and Atticus too.
And maybe more.
And maybe more.
Shall see. We shall see. Time will tell.
Guys, seeing you together in action leaves no doubt in my mind that God put you two on crossing paths just to meet, knowing that your paths would join and become one.